The Roaring Twenties was a great time in American history. Throughout the 20s, a long boom took stocks to peaks it had never seen before. From 1920 to 1929, stocks more than quadrupled in value. With new methods in manufacturing, in 1929, stocks were at an all-time high, and many people kept investing. On Thursday, October 24th, 1929, many investors started pulling out of the stock market, fearing all their investments would be gone. This day would be known as Black Thursday. On Black Thursday, the stock market crashed and continued to go down. Within a week, total market value had dropped $30 billion, roughly 10 times the amount of the federal budget. A week later, on October 29, 1929, the stock market totally collapsed. This day would have been known as Black Tuesday. The result in this was panic. President Hoover tried to calm things down, calling the collapse a passing crisis in life. He said things would be back to normal in just 60 days. But by then, the U.S. Depression had spread around the world. As banks collapsed and as pain spread to the larger economy, millions of people were laid off and lost their homes. In 1932, Hoover lost the re-election to Franklin D. Roosevelt. In 1933, when Roosevelt took office, the banking system of the United States paralyzed, and the unemployment rate hit 25%. People were going hungry, and the country was in depression, but was also in despair. Roosevelt's solution to this was an aggressive public works policy called the New Deal. The New Deal brought down the unemployment rate a little bit. It brought hope to those that were unemployed. It provided incomes for people that didn't have incomes otherwise. It didn't make a dent in the depression, but did help the despair. With a bit of hope, Americans weathered the economic storm, and by the end of the decade, help was on the way as America went into World War II.